Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert MKV to MP4 without any software and without losing quality here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for File Explorer options. The moment you have typed that, you need to proceed to the best match, which is the File Explorer options itself. Under Control Panel, click on Open to continue. So here in this new window, you need to look for View, which is next to General, and then just have to scroll down and look for this Hide Extensions for Known File Types. Just have to uncheck this box. If in your case it is checked, just have to uncheck that and click on Apply and then OK. Once you have set it, just have to proceed to that particular video that you want to convert to. Okay, do a right click, please. Okay, and you need to click on show more options and click on rename. Okay, just have to edit the extension by MP4 and then click on enter. So once you have the set on it, just have to click on yes. And the moment you have do a right click here and go wedge properties. There you have that. You have just successfully changed the type of file into MP4. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.